Best payment processors for small businesses. Hi guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best payment processors if you are a business and need to receive payments internationally. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Number one. So at number one, we have Stripe.com. Now guys, Stripe.com has recently taken quite a lot of companies under its belt. Why? Because they have the best payment processing system on the planet, other than PayPal. Now, some of the businesses that use Stripe are Instacart, Google, Amazon, Slack, Zoom, Shopify, and so many more websites as well. So basically what they do is that they basically give you a fully integrated suite of payment products, basically through which you can receive payments through Google, through Amazon, through basically any particular platform for your online e-commerce store as well, or for any other project that you might need a payment processor for. They are at your service. They are absolutely free to get started, and then after that you have to pay a monthly fee, which is not a lot, or basically they just take 2% of all your transactions, and I think that that is not a lot of money. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on the pricing, because I'm going to be showing you a lot of payment processors, so I want to make this quick. So over here you can see that they will take 2.9% of your total transactions, plus a 30 cents per successful card charge. Guys, that is not a lot of money, but then again, the service they are providing is really massive as compared to the percentage they are taking. So guys, that is basically Stripe, and that is how much it costs. Now after that, you can see all the features like tools to build optimized checkout flows, global payments with a single integration, comprehensive security and rigorous compliance, 24/7 support, financial reconciliation, fast predictable payouts, save time with programmatic dispute handling, manage business operations and payments for platforms, and so much more. So guys, that is why I would really prefer Stripe if you're a new business, or even if you have a big business. So let's jump into the second platform. The second platform we have is PayPal. Now, I'm sure y'all must be familiar with PayPal, because PayPal has become the biggest payment processor in the world. Now, PayPal has some amazing features, like they basically let you pay in installments if you want to, and like you even have some more options, like you can pay with crypto, you can get instant spend notifications, you can pay touch free, and like almost all the big brands trust PayPal.com. So now again, if I were to click on personal, I can see everything. If I were to click on business, I can see like all the payment solutions and everything like that, and the pricing as well. So for PayPal, the pricing is not that much. Now over here you can see like the merchant fees menu. From over here you can simply choose what you want to see. So I'm gonna click on commercial transaction rates, and now I can basically see that the price is exactly the same as Stripe, 2.9% plus fixed fee, and basically not a lot of money. So guys, like honestly, Stripe and PayPal both are really at par with each other, and you can definitely go with either one of these without any problem. And then we have Payoneer.com. Now guys, Payoneer.com is a platform that has recently gained a lot of popularity because of its use for freelancers. Now, PayPal and Stripe are not available in some countries, but Payoneer is available worldwide, and that is why it has recently gained a lot of attraction. Now, over here you can see that they are supported by e-commerce marketplaces, freelancers, and service providers, and digital marketing and beyond as well. And then again, over here you can see some more features. If I were to go over on their pricing, well, then you can basically see all their pricing and everything. So I'm quickly just gonna open up their pricing section over here. So over here you can basically see how much they charge. They basically take 3% of all transactions and 1% from ACH bank debits. And then also we have some more instructions and some more information over here as well, which you can definitely read for yourself if you want to read them. Well, then we have the withdrawal fees. They basically charge $1.5 to withdraw to your bank account, or basically up to 2% when you want to withdraw straight to your own account. So guys, like honestly, this is one of the best payment solutions if you're a person who has problems with basically receiving earnings and has problems with PayPal or Stripe not being available in your country. Well, then Payoneer is the best. Then we have to checkout. Now, to checkout is a bit new as compared to PayPal and Stripe, but the thing about to checkout is that they are gaining a lot of traction recently because of their vast support of e-commerce stores. So they support Amazon stores, Shopify stores, Wix stores, and almost every other major store. They support all of them. And then over here we can see that they have over 20,000 clients, so they are a trusted company. And then we even have some more of their features stated over here. Now click on pricing. and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then their pricing is gonna load up. So from over here now you can simply subscribe and develop and boost your subscription business easily. After that you can even monetize it as well. So like honestly that is absolutely amazing, and it is very easy to work with that. So basically now what I want you to do is simply like read all their benefits and all their features so that you know what they offer and if they are a good fit for you or not. So like definitely do that, and I am sure that they will be a good fit for you guys. So now let's move on to pay.amazon.com. Now Amazon Pay is also a great payment processor because they have vast support, and guys, the name Amazon has great credibility and almost all the people trust Amazon because of their online stores and stuff, but they also have a lot of other services like the payment processing and stuff. And guys, honestly this is really fast. If I were to click on Amazon Pay for business, I can simply choose what type of business do I have. Do I have a large enterprise, a small to medium business? Well, if I were to click on small to medium business, click on that, and after that from over here you can simply optimize your checkout, increase conversions, tap into innovation, and so much more. So guys, definitely do this. And then again, they basically take 2.9% plus 30 cents per transactions, so not a lot of money. So this was basically Amazon Pay. Now let's see Shopify payments. Now Shopify payments is another great payment processor, very fast, and has any service that you could possibly need. So click on login to set up Shopify payments, and then you can basically see their sign up page. Now guys, Shopify payments is really popular as well. Well, firstly because they work the best with Shopify stores, but then again they are fast and they don't charge a lot of money. So like over here I'm gonna click on the pricing, and then after that I can see their pricing. So they basically charge $29 per month. Like there is no per transaction fee. Like you only have to pay $30 per month, and that is basically it. There is not gonna be any subtraction from your total payment. All you have to pay is $30, and that is it. They are happy with that, and they let you do your business and make a ton of money. So I think that is really impressive because over time this 2% really adds up to a lot of money. And like for example over on to checkout they are charging up to 6% per transaction. So like that is a lot of money, and I would not be comfortable with sparing 6% of my total earnings to like a payment processor. So like in my opinion, if Shopify payments is supported and if this fulfills all your needs, well then definitely go for this, or go for Stripe or PayPal. But then again, if they are not available, well then you have these options as well. Before we end the video, I would like to mention one last website that deserves an honorable mention. So we have googlehost.com. Now guys, googlehost.com is another platform that is going to give you all that good stuff like the rest of the platforms we're giving, but they will also give you some more stuff like a free SSL certificate, excellent customer support, which is missing from like most of the websites. So guys, like these are just some things that this website has that the others do not. Now over here you can even see their plans. Their premium plan costs you only $2.6 per month, and their free plan is basically free for life. So guys, that is how it works, and honestly this is super simple. They also give you 1 GB of SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, hotlink protection, and this is absolutely free. And like you will even get business emails, 2 FTP accounts, free CMS installers, spam protection, help desk support, and so much more. So guys, honestly it is worth it, and I would definitely recommend that you guys try out this particular platform too. And like then again, if you have any questions, make sure to like use this FAQ to get the answers of all of them. So like guys, that is basically the video, and I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.